this is very important practical today, what we are going to demonstrate, that is RNA isolation. So RNA isolation is, unlike DNA isolation, RNA isolation is always a challenging one. You have to keep many conditions which is different from DNA isolations, right? Can you tell me why the RNA isolation is always a challenge? It's instability, right? RNAs are by and large, they are highly unstable. They get degraded fast. Okay, so to get a high quality intact RNA is always a big challenge. Okay, so those who do RNA-seq, they will understand how difficult it is to maintain the quality which is qualified for the downstream sequencing work. Okay, they always ask you to collect sample very fresh and handle them in the best of the best conditions in your lab, and you have to do a pre-treatment of all your gadgets, in particular the tubes and tips, right? So we will be coating those plastic wares using a chemical what is called what is that?
DEPC.
What is DEPC?
Diethyl pyrocarbonate.
Diethyl
Pyrocarbonate.
carbonate or carbamate? Carbonate. Okay, we will discuss about this as the practical start. Okay, so what we have planned today, since this RNA isolation itself is a well planned experiment, you cannot do RNA isolation just like that. You need to keep a lot of planning in place. Okay, one such planning is arranging all your plastic wares, right? And the plastic wares are to be treated, right, by a chemical DEPC, and this step you should start at least 3-4 days in advance. Okay, treatment means it is dipping all those glasswares, plastic wares, in particular the tubes and tips, in DEPC solution, right? Then you take it out, dry it, right? The process start really 3-4 days in advance. Okay, then that need to be properly autoclaved and properly arranged, right? Then you presume that you have done everything in advance. Okay, so what did you do? You procured the plastic wares, you treated with the DEPC, and you autoclaved and kept everything ready. So today you plan for your RNA isolation. Okay, and the protocol what is being demonstrated here, each group will handle at least one tube of the biological material, right? So follow the protocol what is given to you maybe short while from now, and proceed with the instructions given in the protocol. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to demonstrate a kit based RNA isolation. Okay, much similar to the DNA isolation. The options are plenty. You can go for laboratory made protocols, kit protocols, or high throughput protocols like Kelex method, right? For RNA also you have a laboratory made protocols or kit based protocols, but most of the time many labs they are comfortable with the kit based protocol, right? The advantage is they are really fast, amenable for large number of samples in short time, right? So the kit is from Promega. So Promega is the company who sell RNA isolation kit. You just follow the instructions what is given in the manufacturer's the sheet what is accompanying the kit. Okay, So the experiment is like this. Each group will handle at least one sample, right? And you take the isolation protocol up to the end product, that is high quality intact RNA. Okay, and try to quantify the RNA using nanodrop or spectrophotometer, right? And you can also see the RNAs in agarose gel electrophoresis. So it's not a big difference between DNA and RNA isolation. The difference is only at the time of handling the material and handling the plastic wares and glasswares. Otherwise, most of the steps remains nearly same. Okay. So now you form different 5 groups, and each group the samples are already kept here, and label your sample, maybe the group name. Then you proceed with your RNA isolation. Okay. In between, you can ask the questions, whatever is coming to your mind, and we will be able to clarify all those questions in the interactive session. Okay. Second part is whatever RNA you are isolating. Let us take this sample maybe tomorrow for cDNA preparation and qPCR also. Right. So these two practicals are what you call interlinked practicals. And today you start with RNA isolation, and we move into qPCR tomorrow. Right. The qPCR, what we are planning to demonstrate, is meant for gene expression analysis. So that means we will be using a reference gene and some candidate gene, its expression in the biological material, right? That will be demonstrated to you. So we will be setting up a qPCR assay and down up to the analysis. Okay, somebody was asking how to do relative quantitation, right? So that will be demonstrated, and you try to make use of this practical, so that in future you become self-dependent rather than depend on X and Y for your routine RNA isolation and gene expression studies. Parallelly, it is also planned to demonstrate absolute quantitation also. So that also we'll take it up tomorrow, right? Absolute quantitation of biological material. There we will be using DNA instead of RNA. So that's fair enough, because you need to quantify the pathogen load in a particular sample. It may be a soil sample, or it may be a plant sample, or it may be seed, right? So you have to extract the total DNA using different one or other approaches, and that DNA become a template DNA, and you can subject the material to absolute quantitation, that is by, once again, by a dye based real time PCR. Okay, we are not going to demonstrate probe based, we are going to demonstrate only dye based qPCR. Okay, these two practicals today and tomorrow are more or less interlinked, and today's practical is directly linked with tomorrow's relative quantitation or gene expression analysis. Remember, whatever you are learning here, it may be useful for you to set up a RNA, cDNA based relative quantitation, and also many times you may be involved in RNA-seq, right? So one of the condition is the RNA-seq data, when it comes to you, you need to really validate the data, whether whatever is given to you is a real. So for that also you need to know the qPCR. Okay, qPCR technique, in particular the gene expression studies, it's very handy to validate RNA-seq data. So definitely this relative quantitation by qPCR has got wider applications, right? You can do candidate gene based gene expression studies, or RNA-seq based transcriptome analysis, okay, and absolute quantitation of any sample, the biological material. So all those things are possible. Okay, so it's again going to be a lengthy practical today, now you, without further loss of time, you start your practical, and the team is already waiting for you, and just get into the practical right away. Thank you.
We will see one place and they will make the arrangement at their respective. And that is how, because we need to clean all the area. No? No, actually, we have 5 samples right now. Bacterial samples are there. So I think each group can handle one.
Yeah,
Right?
assemble group wise. Assemble group wise. Respective place or
See, one thing is either I'll demonstrate for one and then let them do at their respective place. One thing is that, right? Because this is a parallelly it's not possible because reagents I am having at one place. Either we need to distribute the reagents, so that is I think not possible. Either you can do that. Others can come at one side and one representative from each group can come this side, so they can handle their sample.
group
So
leaders
you
can
please,
come. Anybody want to handle, interested to handle, they can come. Yes, sir.
If anyone from you
Okay, you belong to one group, another, third. You are so one of you
Remaining
come
members
here.
can this side.
Remaining members
Only
can come that
one
side.
person from the each group can come this side.
Please come forward, one person from each group. You are from one. Okay, 1, 2.
The remaining members can come this side.
You are from another group then what? Okay, then you come. You are also from another group, or you are from?
First group.
Who is first
Same
group?
group, no?
फर्स्ट ग्रुप में हम लोग हैं तो ये
Okay. Okay, first group, then second group. Third group, you are second. Third is you are fourth. Third is you come. Okay. Fourth is yourself. Fifth group.
रुबिन कौन जा रहा है
Can I keep it this way? Okay. Can we start now? So, just the basic things for that. Your RNA working area should be dedicatedly for just RNA work. First point, right? Do not do it on the common place. Make a specific area that is. So, just choose a specific area in your lab, clean it properly wherever you want to set up. Clean it means right starting from your bench to your pipettes to your stands, everything you need to clean properly so that there is RNA's contamination is not there, because it's everywhere in your tips, hands, skin, everywhere, right? So, you please, this is the basic thing. If you won't do this thing, then you will be ending in a very bad situation, right? Then another thing is that plasticware, whatever you are using, that should be DEPC treated. So, you have to make the arrangement few days before starting up your RNA extraction procedure. DEPC, one chemical is there, diethyl polycarbonate, right? So, you need to, what you need to do, like plasticware tubes, one point, just check out what all are the requirements of the plasticware that are required in your extraction or your qPCR setup, like 1.5 ml Eppendorf's, then your 200 microliter tips, 1 ml tips and P10 tips, right. So, and if you need to crush your sample, then you may have to treat your mortar pestles or the micro pestles. Overnight treatment you will have to do with the 0.1% DEPC, right. That means 1 ml you are adding to 1 liter of double distilled water, right? Mix it properly, dip your stuff overnight. Let's suppose you take a big beaker or 5 liter or 10 liter beaker, and you can do the things like tip in one beaker, tubes in one beaker. So you need to treat all the things, even the boxes which you are using to store your tips and the these tubes, that also you need to treat it with DEPC, right? So it is a big work before starting. Actually starting is okay, stuff are ready, you can start up the things, but the arrangements you will have to make before that, right? That is the first thing. These days we are getting all these things DEPC treated also from the companies, but those are bit costly, and you need to buy all this thing. Maybe you are having budget or not, so you go accordingly. DEPC you can buy, you can make the DEPC water, then you dip it overnight. Next day you take out, put proper gloves and all, take out the tips or tubes, dry it properly. It should be dried properly, right? Again overnight drying should be there, but a covered drying. Either you can keep it in oven, you put it in tray, then some blotting sheet, a layer of blotting sheet, the clean blotting sheets, then you keep it overnight for drying. Then next day you need to autoclave it, right? Because you need to deactivate the DEPC also, okay? And simultaneously you can keep some DEPC treated water ready with you for running your gel, or if required somewhere for your sample resuspension. So you can keep your same thing like 0.1% DEPC diluted water, you can keep it overnight and then autoclave it in your Borosil bottles and all, and keep it ready, right? So first of all we need to clean our area. There are some RNAs out, reagents are coming these days in the market, so you can buy all these things. These are the spray bottles, you can spray your area with that and wipe it off, right? Can you just pass on that tray, this tray? Then you please have a habit of changing the gloves in between if by chance you are touching some other area. Do not continue with the same gloves, right? So your gloves should be nitrile gloves, powder free gloves. So now one of you can start up the things, right? You put on your gloves and clean the area. This is that RNase out, right? You have to spray on your pipettes, although you should have one dedicated set of pipettes for RNA work, right? Don't use those pipettes because too much contamination will be coming from your other lab apparatus, right? So one of you can come forward, take your gloves. These are the fresh gloves only, na? Take the fresh gloves. Karishma, stands होंगे वहाँ पे कुछ प्लास्टिक स्टैंड्स हैं क्या? हाँ, ट्यूब स्टैंड और भी होंगे ना वहाँ पे? हाँ, बस बहुत. So you can clean this area, then we can start. These tips and tubes, some we are having DEPC treated tips, so better you use these only while handling this particular experiment. No? So this you can take, tissue roll you take, you spray it on this area, whatever you want to use. And please pass on one pipette set, 1 ml, 200 microliter. I think all of you need to do it separately, na? So all of you take one pipette from your pipette stands and then clean off like he is doing for his group. Maybe you all people can continue. आइस की नहीं, आइस की नहीं. पुलिस मैंने वहाँ पे 70 पे एक ऑन कर दिया है हीट ब्लॉक, और हाँ बस 70 पे ही ज़रूरत है, वो मैंने ऑन कर दिया. और यहाँ पे वो है क्या, सेंट्रीफ्यूज है क्या यहाँ पे? नहीं है, है? ये कितने स्पीड पे? अच्छा नहीं है, तो फिर बार बार वहीं जाना पड़ेगा फिर. ठीक है ना, या फिर फॉर द टाइम बिंग उसको यहाँ ला के रख लें।
उससे डिस्कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा यूपीएस से उसकी कनेक्टेड है
हाँ ले, क्योंकि बार बार वहाँ जाना तो इट्स नॉट गुड ना, कि दरवाज़ा खोल के बार बार वहाँ जाना। उसका क्या स्पीड है, वहाँ पर भी तो है, उसका भी तो स्पीड 13-14,000 जाता है ना, 10,000 ही है। तो फिर मुकेश यही वाला ले आओ। Gloves also, हाँ, gloves also. And please take your pipette sets and spray it with the Sarnes out and wipe it off with tissue paper. Stands also, you please wipe it out. We will be doing this kit based isolation today, although you can go with the, I think you all must have heard about Trizol based method, right? So that is a lab method which you can handle, Trizol chloroform method. So that also you can do, that is also a very good method. I think all can hang there. No, because they all will be handling separately, na? What? नहीं? हाँ. No, चलेंगे बाहर it is room temperature.
कहाँ पे लगाना है?
Can I just have this? I think one more copy is there. You can. There were 2 copies. So it depends on the type of your sample. First thing is, if it is a bacterial sample, then you have to grow your sample overnight in a broth, right? Around 10 raised to power 9 cells can be done with this kit. So these are the ideal number which you can handle, like 1 OD culture, around you grow it overnight, then you pellet down, right? Clean that pellet, wash that pellet with sterile 1x PBS, right? Then take it further. Then if it is a fungal sample or the plant sample, everything should be fresh. The more fresh it will be, more good yield it will be, right? The quality and the quantity. Sorry. PBS, that buffer, no? The PBS buffer, the saline buffer which we have, right? So if it is a plant sample, then also it is preferable you cut your samples directly and then freeze it in liquid nitrogen. Again, your mortar pestles which you require to crush your samples, that should be DEPC treated. Same is with your fungal samples. You collect your mycelia, wash it so that no media is there. Wash it with either sterile water, nucleus free water, or with this. Then you crush it in liquid nitrogen and then process this. Since it is a bacterial sample, so 1 OD culture that has been, the cells has been harvested, washed with nucleus free water, and now the pellet is here to move ahead, right? Plant sample, I think 30 milligram. This kit can accommodate 30 milligram of sample, and the fungal also 30 to 20 milligram that can be handled per column. So if you need to have more, then you have to put replicates. हाँ, because plasticware you are using, plasticware is a separate only, na? That all things, because there whatever preparations you are making, like 70% ethanol in the Trizol based method, that there you have to use the DEPC treated water. But here everything has been taken care. The reagent part the company supplies, but the plasticware anywhere we are using. So everything should be clean. This is the one fundamental of this RNA extraction. Until unless you will do that thing, na, you won't get a good quality. You will keep on struggling कि अभी degraded आ रहा है, because the company people, they will ask you a good quantity and a good quality that may not come, right? So please take care of all those things. Don't take the RNA isolation casually. 80% of people, they don't get RNA just because of the like, okay, we will do it like that only. So everything cleaned. This area is clean. You once more you clean this after they finish up this thing, na? You clean it. So this kit which we are using, this is for from Promega. So I'll just tell you what all are inside. There is one RNA lysis buffer that we need to dilute it, adding alcohol and mercaptanol, and then you need to store it in 4 degree after that, after adding, right? So that I already stored there, 4 degree. Then your RNA dilution buffer is there, right? And your DNase solution is there, because DNA will be there, so you need to give the DNase treatment also. Then DNase top solution is there, RNA wash solution is there. You please reconstitute, adding how much, like they specify that this much ml of ethanol, 95% ethanol you have to add, or beta mercaptanol you have to add. So that you please, whenever you are opening a fresh kit, please take care of all those things and mark it clearly if you are adding the things. If second person will be using, you should not be confused that whether it is added or not. Please mark it on the lid and on the bottle that this much has been added, right? And then you store at the prescribed condition. They will provide you the condition which will go to -20 after reconstituting, and which will go to 4 degree, and which you can store at a room temperature, right? So this is a column based only. You have the columns, you have the collection tubes. So you people can start up the things. First thing is we have the pellet with us. So first step is I'll just read out. Maybe then you can follow one by one. RNA lysis buffer is there, plus beta mercaptanol that has been added. So you will be adding 175 microliter of RNA lysis buffer to your pellets, right? Then you have to mix it properly, like inversion. Just tilt it several times, just to ensure that your pellet is completely suspended in that lysis buffer, right? Then after that you have to add 350. So this lysis buffer, you know what it will do, it will rupture the cell, and right, beta mercaptanol, ethanol is there, so that all things will be taken care, like DNA also you were using all these things, no? So the basic is that you have to rupture the cell, the lysis of the cell will be happening over there. Then is your RNA dilution buffer is there. You have to add 350 microliter of RNA dilution buffer, again mix by inverting 3 to 4 times. Then you have to give the treatment at 70 degree for 3 minutes. Do not exceed this temperature, otherwise your RNA integrity will be compromised, right? It should be 3 minutes, means 3 minutes. Then you centrifuge, it's already there, for 10 minutes. Speed is around 12 to 14,000 G you have to take. Then you have to add 95% of ethanol, 200 microliter, right? Then you will be transferring your material to the column. You arrange your columns accordingly, and then you transfer your stuff. Then comes your RNA wash solution. So there is a series of wash, like different volumes you will have to put one after one. In between there is one DNase treatment also, where you need to incubate your sample with the DNase, so that if some DNA contaminants are there, that will be taken care. Then you need to stop the activity of that DNase by adding DNA stop solution, right. So, everything is written in the protocol. This is a quick protocol provided with the kit, right. So, you read it thoroughly, arrange the things before starting your samples, right. Do not rush in between कि ये नहीं है अभी मैं ये ले आऊँ, please don't make this practice, otherwise you will be inviting contamination in your reaction, right. So, I think you can start up the things, everything is ready, clean, these stands also, this stand also, I think Tutu can share the stand, right. So, these are the 5 pellets. I think you people can shift little bit that side so that they can also. You have also cleaned the area. Okay. Keep one tip box. Just pass it on. Just open this 1 ml also. मुकेश ऊपर मुकेश को फ़ोन करके ना एक 200 माइक्रोलीटर वाली टिप्स और एक 1 ml, 2 200 वाली और एक 1 ml वाली और मंगवा लो.
कौन जो मशीन पे भी काम करेंगे वही है. ठीक है. अच्छा पेपर पर इस पे
I think 2 sets you can open and then you can share. Is it okay? 2 can share, na?
हो गया ये तो चला गया लाइव में पढ़ लेना.
For the time being, another tip box is coming, people can use this. Tubes.
We have put again this paper on this, no? After washing.
We are shifting this side.
This protocol, you have another copy or you want to keep it with you? You have? Then keep it somewhere in center, or they can keep it here, you can keep it there.
उस पे डिस्प्ले पे देखिए, डिस्प्ले पे बड़ा डिस्प्ले पे चल रहा है.
These reagents you can keep. It's always better you arrange the reagents in the series, the stepwise whatever need to come first. It will be easy for you. You don't have to find out the things, right? RNA lysis buffer. It's in. Just wait, I'll give you.
मेरे को एक्चुअली इसमें नॉलेज नहीं है.
थोड़ा सा डालो.
हाँ ठीक है.
So you use it and immediately keep it in 4°, right? And please screw the caps properly before you. There should not be any leakage. Actually एक है जिसमें वो फिर 70 पे वो उधर रख लेंगे. सेंट्रीफ्यूज टाइम वही ऐसे नॉर्मल पे इस तरह.
ये भी करने लगे इधर. ये नहीं है.
You can label as per your groups or whatever you want. I think group wise you people can label 1 to 3. People don't have marker, not been provided. Okay. Anybody can give them a marker because they had put the gloves, na? Nobody is having. हाँ. One you take and one you can keep for balance also, because you all will be doing the centrifugation collectively, no? So you keep one vial for the balance. This is one OD only, 10 raised to power 9 cells only, so entire
अभी
unit.
15 मिनट है 15 मिनट तो बहुत हो
हाँ, that is what I am saying. One thing is you can keep your lysis buffer in a separate tube and you can prepare the sample and add it there. But now the samples we have already prepared for you, right? Preferably you should do it with the fresh sample only, but if by chance you cannot process it, then you please immediately store it in -20 or -80 and plant sample specially put it in -80 and then use it later. Please pipe it out the correct volume. मुकेश बोल दिया उसको चिप्स के लिए. अच्छा वो ला रहा है तब तक उसमें से ले लो. एक्चुअली आई थॉट कि ये डब्बा वही है, मैंने खोला ना तो आई थॉट कि वो येलो वाला ही. आकाश मुकेश खोल दो इनको ना. दूसरों वाली और नहीं है, 1-2 डब्बे और ले आना 200 वाले के ना. ठीक है, एक टिप बॉक्स ये इधर है, ये ले लो आप. 1 टिप बॉक्स यू कैन टेक. You just read out what it is written. Mix thoroughly by inversion. You can see that the pellet is completely dissolved in that, right? This way. Or maybe gently with the pipette also you can do. Pipette also you can do. Take the pipette and with the tip you just few times na up down you do, that will also mix. Do it gently but okay. Now they have taken their pellets and they are resuspending it in 175 microliter of RNA lysis buffer, right? Basic component is guanidine isothiocyanate of this RNA lysis buffer, right? Done? Now they are adding 350 microliter of RNA dilution buffer. 350 microliter of RNA dilution buffer.
Rajesh, hata headphone hata.
Can somebody open it? You can pass it on to them.
Headphone hata.
One box. 350 microliter of RNA dilution buffer need to be added and then mix by inverting the tube 3-4 times.
हटा इसे निकाल के फेंक दो. वहाँ पे कुआं इधर तो खुला है फुल साउंड.
If you have added this lysis buffer now, please keep it in 4 degree. Not yet? Okay. Why? Pipettes are there, na? Pipettes are not there. Which pipette is not there?
So by the time
हाँ, now you keep it there. This one, हाँ.
Dilution buffer? Sir,
350 microliter of dilution buffer you have to add.
after that,
Pass it on.
please sir, please see. Okay, okay.
मुकेश, यहाँ पर तो वो नहीं है ना, हीट ब्लॉक नहीं है ना, यहाँ पे है 70. अच्छा, फिर मैंने लैब वाले पे सेट कर रखा है, उस पे रख लेंगे ये लोग, ठीक है.
सर अभी जाना है.
पता नहीं यार मुझे.
Just mix it by inverting the tube several times. And now heat the sample at 70 degree for 3 minutes, but you keep it simultaneously, all of you know, because temperature will be varying. One of you can go and keep that. You know now where is the heat block on that incubator near sir's cabin. 70 for 3 minutes. है वहाँ पर 70 for 3 minutes. Time anyway they can just check with their watches also. मुकेश उसका ऑन करके आई थी, उसका आ गया होगा. Let them keep it over there. Everybody done? You please shift your sample to the heat block. Incubate it for 3 minutes. Please check the time before you. And if by chance you are using the trizol method, so and you need to store your pellet, let's suppose you cannot do it immediately, you need to store it in -80, you please resuspend your cells in around 1 ml of trizol, mix it properly so that it should be like there should not be any suspension in that, mix it properly and then you keep it in -80, that you can handle 1 or 2 weeks after that, right, because that will help it to lyse your cell and then your samples will be stable, your RNA integrity will be maintained. Otherwise, you know, the RNA is not that stable. So, if as and when your culture is getting old, the chances of getting a good RNA will be very less. Right? You can label, I think, one more set of tubes for all. Meanwhile, they are coming because you need to transfer your lysate to the fresh tube. मुकेश, मुझे ना वहाँ से अल्कोहल चाहिए 95% जो स्टॉक है ना नीचे मर्क वाला, वो ले आना. So one of you can set the centrifuge for 10 minutes at around 13,000. It's not on. Back side you put it on.
It even for isolation of plants
We have used, although there are separate plant, Kaizen provide that plant many, but this is working for it, fungal and bacterial. Na? They said that it will be clear.
हट जा
हाँ, it was. No. Plant sample. No, but 50 gram is too much. 50 milligram is too much, no? Which plant sample you are using? No, we have taken. But you have to ensure that you are grinding it properly, right? हाँ, glass powder you cannot. How will you treat with that DEPC or all? No? Advisable. It is mortar pestle. Freeze it in liquid nitrogen. It will be done. And then what you do, no? That RNA lysis buffer, na, you add it directly in the mortar pestle only, and then let it thaw, and then you transfer it to the tube. Because you have a problem in taking out the sample from that. So what do you do? Please take one set of your columns and label it according to your groups. I think one set of tubes you already prepared, na? These columns also you make. After centrifugation, you have to take out that clear lysate from that tube, transfer it to another clean tube, and then add 200 microliter of 95% ethanol. Right? We consider it as a 95%. I think this you take. This one. This you take. No, don't keep as such. Take out.
After that we will add it. In separate we will add separate. After that
That you have to take. That he already labeled for you, right? You people can take one tube for your respective samples. Two tubes you can give it to them, and the rest you can keep it here, whatever samples they are. You need more stands? While taking out the lysate, please be careful, do not disturb the lower layer, right? Otherwise you will be contaminating it with protein and DNA also. As much as you can take clearly, right? Do not try to take too much, don't be greedy. If you will try to take a maximum, then you will definitely take the lower layer. So avoid that. Maybe you can compromise a little volume in that tube only, right? These are, but nowadays they are offering different price. I think this is how much? 5,000 I think. I think it's like that only. That time when we purchased, no. Because RNase is actually very tricky. that will remain even after like heating also, na, that will remain there. So this is harness out, na, that is for basically for that only. Harness doesn't get activated very quickly, na? That is the thing. And if harness will be there, then your whole experiment will be started. In the fresh tube, yeah. Then to that tube you have to add 200 microliter of 95% ethanol, and that's the whole content you need to transfer there, right?
पढ़ने वाले हैं, समझ रहे हैं तो अभी नहीं, अभी सेंटीफिक चल रहा है ना, ये सेंटीफिक बंद हो रहा है क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं इधर भी करना है।
Then further, for checking these samples in the gel, we need to prepare a different type of gel. Generally people use that formamide gel and all, but if at all we are preparing the regular one, then you need to ensure that all like running tank, your casting trays, your combs, everything should be cleaned properly with this RNase out solution, right? Properly rinse it with distilled water first, then let it dry, then rinse it with this RNase out solution, and then you make your gel, and that too in the DEPC treated water, and buffer also you will have to make in the DEPC treated water only, right? Otherwise the whole thing will get degraded there only. So that is. How much time is left? 5 minutes. Okay. One of you, what you can do? You can one of you can make a DNase incubation mix, maybe for all of you, because that master mix need to be prepared. You have to add 2-3 components. So you multiply according to the 5 samples, and then you make. For that thing we have to add. There is one yellow core buffer is there in the kit. Then manganese chloride is there, that you have to add, and DNase is there, right? So you make a cocktail of this 40 microliter yellow core buffer, then this manganese chloride and DNase 1. This composition into the number of preparation, then total you make, then they can pipette out the required volume for their sample. So one of you can make. Do not vortex, please mix it gently just with the help of the trick. Maybe if you want to make, you make it for 5 samples, that is what I can do. If you are not confident in pipetting out, although you should be while handling such things, right? Or what you do, you take 1 microliter extra, that will be okay. Five samples you are having, na? Then 40 microliter per sample, 200. So you make, you take 10% extra if you have some pipetting issue, no? Take 10% extra, no problem. Or you make it for 5, right? 6 right now, na? You make it for 6. Take one separate tube. I'll give you that DNase. कुलेश्वर इसके ऊपर एक मिनी कूलर होगा This DNA solution also you have to prepare it and then store it in -20. Whatever comes with the kit, you need to resuspend that in a certain volume, and then that whole thing you just make a small aliquots and then freeze it in -20. Do not freeze for too much, right? Right now I am keeping it here so that keep it. I am keeping it here, right? Check the things properly, huh? Yellow core buffer, 6 samples, 240, right?
जो है फिर अब सही है
They are making that cocktail for that DNA solution. DNA's treatment they have to give, na? So we have to make some cocktail just before adding to it. So it is some yellow buffer is there, then manganese chloride is there, and then DNA's enzyme is there that they need to mix in some proportion, and then they have to add it to their. That is written there. Why it is not there? How much you need to take? 30 is not there. Sure? Should be. It's not sufficient. Then you want to do Mukesh, just 1 minute. It's done now. Now you transfer your lysate. Please do this step carefully. Do not take the junction or the lower layer. जो किट जो नीचे कार्टन रखा है ना इनके बेटे के पास जिसमें ये इसका सामान मंगा के रखा था वहाँ पर ना एक आंवले आइसोलेशन की तो किट होगी इसमें इनको बढ़ रहा है. Take out the tubes carefully. अभी पता है ना आपको क्या डाला है आपने? सिर्फ वही डाला है ना अभी? Do not disturb that lower one, no? Available from Omega, na? You put that catalog number. Quick protocol. Please do not disturb that debris at the bottom. अभी तो रुक नहीं सकते मतलब करेंगे ये यहाँ पे कर लेंगे तो 15 मिनट्स का इंक्यूबेशन है ना तब कर लेंगे फटाफट दैट साइड यू टेक ट्राई टू टेक फ्रॉम दैट साइड अपोजिट साइड राइट wherever you are seeing the pellet try to take your lysate just from the opposite direction of that. transfer? Everybody transferred? Doing? Okay, do it quickly, otherwise it will again mix up with your lysate. What you are waiting for? Okay, pipette. I was asking you, if you want, you can pipette. 200 microliter you want? You need one. कुलेश्वर एक 200 माइक्रोलीटर का पाइपेट ला दो वहाँ से और वो वहाँ पर लेके आओ. हाँ 200 का एक कम पड़ रहा है उनको ना. ये चाहिए मुझे मैंगनीज क्लोराइड का एक वो है ना छोटा सा वो ग्रीन वाला. मार्कर है इस पे आज का डेट डाल. क्या डेट है? 27. Right now I'm keeping it here, right? Whatever you want. Can you just give me 200 microliter of one tip also? I will just check this volume also, no? Otherwise I'll get a new one. Actually, I'm surprised why it is less, because the other, no, but the others are there, no? Collected, lysate collected. Now you add 200 microliter of 95% ethanol. Let's say 200 microliter, 95% ethanol, and mix it well with the pipette only. Just up down several times. Just wait, I'll give it.
If they are not, we can repeat it.
This is sufficient. This will do. Only you require that. This will do. You have added? Okay, you add. This is 200. Just now I had given, no? This is 200. Okay, then whose is this? You mix it with pipetting. Just slowly, right? Can you just open this tip box for them? It should be mixed properly, right?
They have to mix with pipette now.
Mix with the pipette only. You have added? You have added? Okay. Everybody has added? Now you transfer this whole content to your columns. They have labeled these columns for you. You take your respective columns. Transfer the whole content in the column, the upper side of the column. You have the collection tube at the bottom, and on the top the column is there. You need to transfer it in the column.
it will come, is it?
It's edit. Everybody has edit. This cap for ethanol. Can you just pass it on?
मेरे से अभी ये इसमें ट्रांसफर करना है ये ट्रांसफर
Transferred.
करना
Okay. Then you transfer, and then keep it for centrifugation at same speed for 1 minute. Now you prepare this. So this 30 you have to add manganese chloride and 30 of locus, right? No, don't do this. You don't have. You have to keep it for centrifugation. Just wait. I think everybody will take. You just pass on your point. Balancing, you can use the same tube. You have discussed that tube is there, na? You can go with that. And please keep these things in this orientation, right? Your hinge should be outside. While centrifugation, na, you always keep your ependophs like that, right?
इस पे भी काम कर रहे हैं क्या मशीन पे?
One still remaining.
फटी हुई। अभी मैडम इस पे भी कर रहे हैं। मतलब बाहर निकल। मशीन पे काम कर रहे हैं। इस पे जूम कर। हाँ, लॉक कर लो।
What I am doing, I am keeping it for.
मशीन को घुमाना।
Yeah, I'll keep it for 75 seconds, right?
भाई मशीन को
GN is also here. Okay. Mix properly, na?
देख मशीन को इधर घुमा लिया सब सब निकाल
Mix, na? So now you have to take 50-50 milliliter from this, right? Now you'll take out those tubes and the discard that elute whichever you are getting in the collection tube, that you discard, right? And then you have to add 600 microliter of RNA wash solution where the ethanol has already been added to the concentrate, right? So now it is in diluted form. You can use this. Hold the upper column like that. Take out the collection tube, discard it, and then use it. चरिश्मा कुछ डिस्कार्ड के लिए दे दो, लिक्विड डिस्कार्ड के लिए. अगर कोई यूज्ड फैल्कन है तो फैल्कन ले लो. फैल्कन आर यूज्ड ना? You can take, no, not in this. You keep a separate discard for the liquid waste. Liquid and solid should be kept separately, right? Keep it in some stand. Keep it in some stand. Stands are not there. No, नहीं देख लीजिए. कुलेश्वर, कुलेश्वर. सर से एक बार बात करवा दो. एक्चुअली उनका मीटिंग. हाँ, यू कैन कीप इट देयर. Now you discard the elute in the collection tube. हाँ, discard it. Hold the column with the left hand, and with the right hand you can discard the things. You can use same collection. Don't touch it over there. If need, you can put a several layer of this tissue paper and then put it on that. Invert it on that. Everything will be absorbed. Right? Don't touch it with some extra element. That's it. Right? Now you have to add 600 microliter of RNA wash solution. You are taking a next. Okay, no problem. This RNA wash solution that comes in a concentrate form in the kit, and before using we'll have to dilute it with 95% of ethanol, right? They have mentioned that how much volume you need to add, mix it properly and then you can use it for further. I think your tips are not properly fitting, right? You fix it, yes. 600 microliter of RNA wash solution you have to add to your column only, right? Then you will have to again centrifuge for 1 minute. I'm keeping it outside, right? This entire volume has been taken. Okay, fine. So after this step your RNA is actually binding to the membrane of the column, and now you are doing a 1 round of washing, then it will be followed by your DNase treatment, right? So he had prepared one cocktail for DNase treatment. This is DNase incubation mix that contain one buffer is there in the kit, then your manganese chloride is there, that is 0.9 molar, and your DNase one enzyme is there. So he mixed in some proportion 40 microliter of your buffer, 5 microliter of your DNase 1 and 5 microliter of your manganese chloride. So what you will do, individually you can take 50-50 microliter each, right, and add it to your that thing. It's mixed, na? Okay, you just mix it in. There are 2 pipettes of 200 microliter. If you want to take, you can take this one. Here there are 2 pipettes. Which one? Yeah, it's 20 to 200. You want to add 50 microliter, na? So you can adjust from there only. Now again you discard the solute in your discard, right? You add your DNase mix. Okay, after this step, we can take a break for 15 minutes. Charishma is very happy. We can take a break for tea because this is followed by incubation of the sample at room temperature for 15 minutes. So meanwhile you people can have a tea. By the time you will be back, this thing will be over, right? Your incubation time will be over. Now after RNA wash solution, what they are doing, they are just discarding that elute, whatever collected in the column, right? And now they are adding the DNA's mix to this membrane. It will be incubated for around 15 minutes at room temperature. Then further washing we will take, right? And this is followed by a DNA stop solution also. So that one treatment we will give so that we can stop the activity of our DNase enzyme. क्या हुआ? कुछ problem है? How come? Then it means you didn't pipetted well. How much you are taking? ज़्यादा है. Let me see. Just hold on. This entire volume should be 240, right? You just give me 1 ml pipette adjusting 240. That is what I was thinking, that volume is not entire. How much you had taken earlier? No, but then 240, I think you, which pipette you have used in? See, now you have taken 30 microliter with this, right? And I think you have taken 1 ml only you took. Sure? No, but I can see this is not the correct volume. Just see. It's not the correct volume. But we have to make it again. Make it again. चरिश्मा, हाँ एक मिनट. आशा का एक बॉक्स रखा है वहाँ पर. कुछ RNA स्टॉक प्राइमर करके रखा है, ठीक है, राइस का, पता है ना, जिसमें ये DNase का एक वायल रखी है. जस्ट ब्रिंग 1 वायल. दिस यू कीप इट देयर. Okay, now we have to add 240 microliter of this, right? Can I have 1 ml tip? Give me another tip. One after adding, right?
200 microliter. Yeah. That also needed, na?
हाँ, everything should go to him. Because your RNA is there on the membrane only, na? Just pass on this stop solution this side, na? They'll also add. हाँ, 200 microliter. In this DNA stop solution also we have added ethanol that has been prescribed, like how much volume we need to add to make it dilute, right? It also comes in a concentrate form.
Right. ये कौन सा फ्रेम हो गया? पहला बात मैडम
No, I think ये भी 95%.
एक्चुअली इसका रेशियो क्या है? डीएस से बस इतना होगा।
Edit? Everybody edit? Huh? Okay, you please add it quickly because otherwise the incubation time will increase. Na?
No, in this also ethanol is added.
This ethanol is already added. It is written on the
What is the ratio, ma'am?
ratio. That is what I am saying. That depends on the what pack size is there. The bottle size, na, that depends on that. So they will mention according to that. Now centrifuge for 1 minute. Now the DNA, with this the DNase treatment is over, right? Now again we will be washing our membrane with the RNA wash solution, right? So you set your pipettes, 1 ml pipette you take and you set your pipettes to 600 microliter. So there will be 2 rounds of washing, one with the 600 microliter, another with the 250 microliter, right? Take your sarna to wash solution. So after the solution, what you will do, you take the nanodrop reading today and gel you can prepare tomorrow. Because I think the DEPC water is not available. So Asha, she already treated 2 liters of DEPC. Tomorrow you ensure to autoclave it and then that water will be ready, right? So within that, like morning you will have some lectures. Morning session. No? Okay. Then you people can manage to come in between and make the gel, because gel preparation again it will take 30 to 40 minutes. So you prepare the gel and then you can start up. So accordingly you manage the time in between. No? Lecture is by 11. Okay, practice. Okay. Then you people can come and prepare the gel in between, right? Because tomorrow I think that QPCR, Dr. Ramakrishnan, that is there, absolute quantification. Let it be there, because that volume can be. Add 600 microliter of RNA wash solution.
Sir, इधर से सिर्फ washing
जैसे अब देखो, अभी आपको समझ में आएगा। देखो आपको दिखाएंगे अभी, जैसे कि भैया काम कर रहे हैं, ये हाथ में लेके इस पर रेड आ गया तो एकदम क्लियर दिख रहा है। ये देखो जैसे कि सॉफ्ट हो गया, डिफोकस जैसे हो गया, ये हो गया डिफोकस रहेगा तो रेड नहीं रहेगा, जब फोकस आ गया तो रेड आ गया। इसके लिए हम लोग रखते हैं फोकस आउट ना हो, मतलब डिफोकस मैच हो गया।
You can label few elution tubes also. Elution tubes you will have to take, no? 1.5 ml elution tubes. You can label as per your samples.
कैमरा है, मीरा तक कर इसका वो नहीं है, वीडियो कितना क्रिकेट जो होता है ना, लाइव जो चलता है क्रिकेट इसी कैमरा से चलता है। कितना ये वाला है 6 लाख कुछ, 6 लाख। और भी कम का हो गया। ये वाला था 6,000 अभी तो 5 लाख से 6,000 रुपये मॉडल नया नया आ गया। कैमरा में वो सही होता है, इनकी तरफ जो होते हैं ना क्वालिटी निकालते हैं अच्छी 250 सेट का।
1 minute only.
साउथ के लोग सही होते हैं वो।
Now you can set your pipettes at 250 microliter because next step will be 250 microliter of Arnes wash solution, and that step you increase the centrifugation time to 2 minutes, right? So this is the final wash for your membrane. Then the last step will be that you will be eluting your RNA in the nucleus free water, right? No, this somebody by mistake kept it. These are the PCR tubes. By mistake somebody kept it. And once your RNA is extracted, then please make sure you are immediately transferring it to -80, right? Whatever volume you require for nanodrop or that you take it out right now only, like 1 microliter for nanodrop and 2 microliter for that. So 3 microliter you take out in some tubes, and remaining you put it in -80. You can do. You can, but these are not DTC treated and all. Now RNA is extracted, so that can be. You can take this also, right? Those tubes are also there. Don't take this one. You can take those DTC treated. Now you empty your that collection tube. You discard that. Discard the solute. Add 250 microliter of fresh RNA wash solution. इसके बाद इन लोगों को आरने क्वान्टिफिकेशन करा देंगे बस आज,
ठीक है,
और जेल कल देख लेंगे, जेल कल देख लेंगे, ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी इनका वो है लिक्विड में ही है, तो अभी आरने का सब करेंगे, अभी तो हो जाएगा ना, तो खत्म हो जाएगा, खत्म होके तो बस डायरेक्ट उसी में ही जाना है, फिर तो माइनस उसमें रख देना ना, -80 में रख देना, ठीक है, -80 में रख देना, ठीक है। अभी बस 1 माइक्रोलीटर लेके क्वांटिफिकेशन कर लेंगे, जेल के लिए कल फिर दोबारा लेंगे, ठीक है, और या फिर इसमें से 3 माइक्रोलीटर निकलवा लेना, 1 अभी उसके लिए कर लेंगे और 2 कल उसके लिए, जैसे भी कंफर्टेबल होगा वो भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। 4 माइक्रोलीटर निकलवा लो इनसे, 4 निकलवा के 1 उस पर कर लेंगे, किस पे नहीं, एक्चुअली क्या है, कल भी फिर फ्रीज थॉइंग होगा उसका, अभी क्योंकि उसी में ही है ना, फ्रीज करने से पहले ही निकाल के और दोनों एलिकोस को, और या फिर उसमें भी रखवा दो, अभी डायरेक्टली 1 करा के, एंड रेस्ट वॉल्यूम यू कैन कीप इट इन। 250 माइक्रोलीटर ऑफ आरने वॉश सॉल्यूशन, एंड देन सेट द मशीन फॉर 2 मिनट्स।
अगर विदाउट PhD जो
कभी नहीं हो सकता वैसे में,
उसका 12 ईयर्स है, 14 ईयर्स।
विदाउट PhD कभी नहीं हो पाएगा उससे।
नहीं, विदाउट PhD मतलब PhD इंश्योरेंस में किया है उस बंदे को,
काउंट करते हैं।
So for elution, although it is written 100 microliter, but we always go with the lesser volume, right? 50 microliter we will add, and another 20 microliter we will add later. But right now we will add just 50 microliter. We will see what is the concentration, because that can be diluted at later stage. They say that 100 microliter nucleus free water is to be added, but you go with the lesser volume and then you can increase that, right? So either you can add 30-30 in a 2 batches, or 50-50, actually 100, right now don't add 100, you add 50 microliter followed by another 20 microliter, then you do that. This is set for 2 minutes, na?
मेरा 111079 ये 3 सेकंड का
Okay, after this step, you label one another set of elution tubes. 1.5 ml tubes comes with this pack. You take those as a elution tube. You transfer your column to those tubes, right? And then you add your nucleus free water, right?
डिफरेंट है ना
50 microliter you take. 50 microliter you take, then let it rest for 1-2 minutes.
नहीं हमारा ना
Then you centrifuge it.
सीधा चल रहा है अगर तेज लेकर चल रहा है तो हम 7 से 7 से 8 से
वो तो ठीक है मैं समझ गया अब तो कुछ
Or maybe you can add 42 times 80 microliter. That that may come in the second element. And please try not to throw the column until unless you quantify the things, right? Because you can try one more round of elution, adding a little bit more volume. And keeping it on your workbench for a little longer time, maybe for 5 minutes. Right? You're not required right now. In the same tube only. Same tube only. That is in the same tube only. Right?
वो रिक्रूटमेंट है ना क्या
Add 40 microliter, rest it for 1-2 minutes, centrifuge it, add another 40 microliter, rest it for 1-2 minutes, and then centrifuge, right? So instead of 100 microliter, we will be eluting it in 80 microliter. 80. Let's go with the 80. Always go with the lesser volume. Then you can dilute according to your requirement.
मर्यादा से मसाले बोलते
Transfer your columns to these tubes. He already labeled for you. You take your respective tubes.
लेकिन उससे पहले एक और स्टेज आता है सेकंड स्टेज थर्ड स्टेज में तो कुछ नहीं इसको तो साउंड बजाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं
Any doubts regarding this extraction process, please ask. Add 40 microliter of this nucleus free water. Add water directly on the membrane, don't put it on the wall. Right?
वैसे चला जाता है वैसे फोकस ये लाइव जा रहा है ये वैसे कंट्रोल होता है
That means the group leader is not the boss. The leaders are silent.
इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
They are operating. They are remote.
किसी लड़की के फेस पे है तो उसको तो प्रॉब्लम
They are the group leaders.
इसलिए बोल रही थी
Are shying away from responsibility. It can be either way.
तो आप बताएंगे कैसे हो जाता है
स्लाइड पे भी हो रहा था तो आप लोग इस चीज़ को ध्यान रखो क्योंकि वीडियो क्वालिटी हो रही है ना हमारे साथ भी पता चलेगा कि ऐसे स्लाइड बन रहे हैं तो वो भी बोलेंगे
Yeah, wait for 1 minute and then you can centrifuge for another 1 minute, right? Wait for, sorry? Yeah, 40 you have added. Now you centrifuge for 1 minute, then add another 40, then centrifuge it again. While placing these tubes, no, you keep this lid towards inside, right? This way, no?
Orientation of the lid is very important.
Right? So this way you do, otherwise that will break off. Right? That is what I am saying. No? Cap is there, that's okay. Either you just one position you shift and then put it inside, right? Maybe all in the same orientation. You can pass on your tubes. One you can put it there. One minute.
1 minute.
पुलिशर अब आइस ले आओ थोड़ी सी, क्योंकि स्टेप के बाद दे कैन कीप इट डायरेक्टली ऑन द आइस. या तो वो क्यूब्स ले आना, दे कैन पुट इट डायरेक्टली. अच्छा ठीक. After this final elution, you please label your samples properly. You are going to store it in -80. Put some cryo labels, right, and put it immediately in -80. If you are going to use it several times, then you make a small aliquots and then store, so that you don't have to freeze for it again. Sorry. Right now you can directly do the nano drop and freeze it. Tomorrow you take it out again. Right? Add another 40 microliter. ये नहीं है, ये है. तभी तो. So for nano drop, taking the reading for the blank, you have to use this nucleus free water only. Whatever you are using for eluting your RNA, you use that as a blank followed by your sample, right? What you do now, you take 5 microliter of nucleus free water in one tube and then rest I can keep it back. Right? Take one tube from that. 20. From 20 pipette, no? 20 reach 12. No, it's one only. Blank you will be taking for one only, no? So 5 is spare. नहीं कंटिन्यू उसमें करोगे नहीं अभी they will be doing nano drop directly from this, then you freeze it, tomorrow you take it out and then whatever volume they require you take and वो तो दूसरे samples प्राइमर्स चाहिए ना उसके लिए जो ऑलरेडी हैं RNA एक्सट्रैक्टेड उससे वो करते हैं न्यूक्लियस फ्री वाटर थोड़ा सा निकाल के वहाँ पे इनका नैनो ड्रॉप करवा देते हैं न्यूक्लियस फ्री वाटर ब्लैंक के लिए निकाल रहे हैं ठीक है बाकी फिर गिट सब हाँ उसी से ये हाथ से निकालना पड़ेगा ये वाला टिप ना Now rest of the thing you can wind it up. After the solution, columns you can discard and the remaining volume you can keep it labeled. Columns discard or for the time being you are taking the reading, you retain it. After that you can discard. Rest all tubes you can discard, collection tubes and all. No? What is that? Okay. You can maximize your pipettes, please keep it back at your place.
एक जन इधर आ जाओ नैनो ड्रॉप पैरेलली कर देते हैं
I'll store it then and tomorrow gel and all that you can run tomorrow. Minus 80 it should be at minus 70. I hope everybody got some volume. You just check in all the tubes. Some volume is there, na?
2.5.
Okay. Take your samples and take the nano drop reading.
बर्फ में लग के लाओ बर्फ में
Keep all the samples in this ice bucket. Transfer all the samples in ice. Samples are labeled, na? Okay. Column you can wait. You can keep it inverted. Columns, na? You can keep it inverted for the time being. All done? And then you take. Nucleus free water you take and pipette you take. Tissue from there you can take. Or he is having that tissue. You can wind up rest of the things, right? This DNA's cap is there. Put it cap.
उसी से करते क्या 1 माइक्रोमीटर नहीं होता
हाँ छोटा वाला ले लो
आरएनए से इसको बाइक दो लोग तो कम से कम
हाँ you all should go there. You just have a look. open it like that. हाँ.
प्रोफेशन में तो रहना है।
You take these tips and okay, tips are there. And this DPC boxes, na, you please keep it separate. DPC separate, na? That we will keep separate for this work only.
क्यों रहेगा पड़ेगा इसलिए बनने के तैयार थोड़ा
Okay, then it may not be.
बेडरूम कितने बार बताया, एक बार बताने में सीख जाना चाहिए तेरे को। नीला ये नहीं आ रहा है, बेडरूम क्यों कटेगा, बेडरूम
Right now, just let him take the reading. After that, we can discuss. Right? This one can for this to start.
कितना काम
कितना बड़ा दिखा
कितना डालते हैं इसमें, 1 मिनट लगता है। उससे पहले कुछ डाल आगे जो भी
ये फ्रेश है. वन 1.7 से 2.1 के बीच में ही आता है. 1.7 to 2.1 के बीच में आना चाहिए. क्या चीज़ पर आने वाला?
गुरु सर मेरे फोकस
टिप नहीं निकल रहा उसमें.
बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस कर
तो 60 by 280 should be between 1.7 to 2.1. क्या हुआ?
इसमें 1 मिनट में कितना
ऐसे कैसे होगा?
260
नहीं फिक्स नहीं. ये एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है कुरेशा, वो 1 to 10 वाला ले 1 to 10 वाला है ना.
आगे बढ़ा लिया
एक्चुअली वो फिक्स नहीं. ये इसका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसका प्रॉब्लम है. ये इसमें हाँ
केवल
there also this is not coming.
आप इधर साइड हो ना.
There will be one pipette of 2 microliter. Can you just pass it to me?
चलो खुल नहीं सकते इस पे डिस्प्ले पे भी आएगा क्या? डिस्प्ले पे भी आएगा?
हाँ, ये इसको कर देना आप डिस्प्ले पे. कुलेश्वर कहाँ है वो? न्यूक्लियस फ्री वाटर. Blank you already did? Okay. It's there.
Yeah, ma'am, already kept back. Now measure.
Now, no, blank you don't have to measure, na?
No, ma'am. I
added 1 microliter plus
of sample.
now we have to add the sample.
Okay, our sample I have to put there. No?
We have to wash the
छोड़ 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 दे छोड़ दे इसको खोल खोल खोल
वॉइस नहीं आ रहा मैम देखो वॉइस
तो लगा ना वॉइस हम क्या करें उसके लिए
देखो तो आ रहा है कि नहीं उसमें
Blank up.
Okay.
राजेश राजेश इसका हाइट दे हाइट कैमरे खोल खोल
This you can keep it somewhere, right? A folder you can select. You can select some folder. Either you note it down or you can select it down, right?
इसमें डाल दीजिए लिंक लिंक
we'll try to note it down.
No, but it should highlight. It will highlight only then. No? It will highlight after that only. It's 2.6. Number 1.
Number 2.6 nanogram per liter. 60 by 280 is 1.72. 260 by 230
It is proper. 260 button. Oh, wait.
भैया काम कर रहे हैं तो इसको डिस्प्ले भी चल रहा है क्या कुछ मेरे को तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है इसमें मतलब दिखाएगा क्या
This was sample 2.
परसेंटेज या कुछ
हाँ उसमें चल रहा है ना
चल रहा है ना
किसमें?
Sample 3. 3.9.
Okay,
2.3.
खोल दिया यहाँ से और फूल है यहाँ से यहाँ से
It's 3.
लास्ट ग्रुप में
This is 260 by 280 is 2.3, right? Who got highest? Second group. Who is second group?
Molecule is just 1.2, not RNA.
Chalo.
Some mistakes they uniformly written.
Second
हाँ इस टाइम ये शिफ्ट करवा देना RN में, ठीक है?
सर कौन है जो ग्लव्स पहने हुए जाके सामान पूरा ले चलो
ये एक बॉक्स ले लो RN उसमें शिफ्ट कर लो, ठीक है? चीज़ें अरेंज कर लेना. प्लीज़ मेक एंट्रीज इन दिस लॉग बुक. What happened? It's not good. RNA concentration is not good. It's hardly 2 to 3. I think 1 it is coming around 17.
Okay, means
So
will not be able to continue with these samples for qPCR.
of course for qPCR anyway we are planning to take another set because we need to design primers for that. So for qPCR anyway we will be using the already RNA extracted that we will be using because we need to have the specific primers also for that study na. So this is a journal like some bacteria which we had